Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Copying public folders in your network lets you copy all the permissions, administrative settings, and rules from a copied folder to a new folder, so you won't need to create them again as when creating a new public folder. If the folders will have similar settings, this can be a time-saving task. Even editing a public folder's properties is often easier than recreating them all from scratch. After copying the folder from one place to another, you should edit its properties accordingly and rename it. To copy a public folder, right-click the public folder to copy in the folder pane in Outlook, and then select the Copy Folder command from the pop-up menu that appears to open the Copy Folder dialog box. Select the folder under which to place the copy of the original folder in this dialog box, and then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.